Today we will find the degrees and leading coefficients of polynomials. A monomial is a number or product of numbers and variables with whole number exponents. A polynomial is a monomial or sum or difference of monomials, and then the degree of a monomial is a sum of the exponents of the variables. So let's look at an example to understand what this means a little bit better. So identify the degree of the monomial. So z to the sixth power is a monomial. It's just one term. There's no addition or subtraction involved. And then the degree of the monomial is the sum of the exponents of the variables. So we just have one variable here. It has an exponent of 6. So that degree is 6. We have 8x squared times y to the third. So we take the exponents of the variables, add them together. So x squared, so that's 2, y cubed, that's 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. Next we have 6.2. We don't have any variables here, so the degree is 0. A cubed times b. So a cubed has the exponent of 3. B, we know, has an exponent of 1 even though it's not there. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then we have 8. Again, just like 6.2, there are no variables, so that degree of that monomial is just 0. The degree of a polynomial, though, a polynomial again has a bunch of terms with an addition or subtraction sign separating them. The degree of a polynomial is given by the term with the highest degree. A leading coefficient is the coefficient of the first term if the equation is in standard form. And in order for an equation to be in standard form, remember, an equation is in standard form when its terms are written in descending order. So I have an example here. 5x cubed plus 8x squared plus 3x minus 17. This is in standard form because we go cubed, squared, to the first power, and then no variable. So the degree of this monomial is 3. The degree of this monomial is 2. The degree of this monomial is 1. This one is 0. So the degree of the polynomial is 3 because that is the highest degree. And the leading coefficient is 5. It is the first coefficient in this chain of monomials that make up a polynomial. 5x minus 3x squared plus 4. First question, is this in standard form? And no, it is not. It is not in order of highest degree. In order to put it in standard form, we need to switch this negative 3x squared and this 5x. So the standard form of this would be negative 3x squared plus 5x plus 4. What is the degree of the polynomial? Well, we look at this first term here, since this should be the highest degree. And that's x squared, so the degree is 2. What is the leading coefficient? Again, we look at this first term. Negative 3 is the coefficient for x squared, so the leading coefficient is negative 3. If you want more practice, we can do examples in Zoom during class, before school, or schedule a meeting with me during lunch. I did not find anything in IXL that aligned with this perfectly, but I will definitely be able to do more examples with you. And and I'll see you in Zoom.